The Doge father Elon Musk caused a lil bump on Doge prices this weekend, but now it is still trading at a meager 19.8 cents. I think this suggests that there's simply too much fear in the market right now, and that fear is caused by some media houses that suggest that Dogecoin and the entire crypto market is only going to go downhill from here. In this video, I'll talk about some facts and analysis that suggest that this is far from the truth. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment on your favorite cryptocurrency. Read our description for more info about it. Now, let's get started with today's video. So, Musk retweeted a post about the upcoming Doge update. This led to a minor bump this weekend, but a report claims that the Elon Musk effect on Doge is a thing of the past. Now, it can't be denied that his recent tweets haven't done much. Before the crypto crash, Elon Musk asked his followers if they wanted Tesla to accept Dogecoin, and we remember that it had a massive impact on Dogecoin's price. But his recent tweets had little to no impact on Dogecoin. The truth is that his comments aren't having an impact because there's simply too much fear in the market right now. The crypto fear and greed index has remained between 20 to 30 in the past week, and it currently stands at 20, signaling extreme fear amongst investors. And that's evident in Doge prices too. Dogecoin price failed to break major resistance level of 27 cents. While looking at the price chart, we can see bulls have continuously tried to break above the resistance level but have failed again and again. If bears take more control, Doge will likely fall back to major support of 19.3 cents. A break below this mark will send Doge back to mid-teens around its major support of 16.6 cents. Now, coming back to the fear and greed index, I think this fear is caused because of manipulation in the market. Cointelegraph recently published a post suggesting Ethereum 2.0 will not attract wider mainstream adoption. It says that Vitalik Buterin considers the personnel working with Ethereum as a bigger problem than the actual software. Apart from this, another article talked about how Tether can crash the entire crypto market. And then there's another tweet about Bitcoin that says that Bitcoin isn't decentralized. Its network tanked by over 55% since China banned BTC mining. Now, EU lawmakers are working on a similar bill to ban BTC mining. What happens when every country in the world bans or regulates it? So, as you can see, there are several media outlets and whales that are really bearish on crypto. While their comments are partially true, I think they aren't painting the complete picture here. Let's take a look at this. A recent survey conducted by a European investment manager revealed that more than 80% of the investors expect to increase their crypto exposure in the next 2 years. According to the survey, just 1% of wealth managers and institutional investors are going to sell all of their digital assets. It also says that the potential for long-term capital growth is the main reason why participants would invest more in cryptocurrencies. So, basically, they're looking to invest in crypto for the long haul, which is another great sign. And then there's the analyst Will Clement, who says that Bitcoin is gearing up for a massive move. He says he's bullish on it as he sees heavy buying behind the scenes with on-chain showing strong accumulation. He also said that Bitcoin whales and retail buyers are accumulating in the $30,000 range. The net growth of new users coming up on the Bitcoin network has been increasing dramatically since the beginning of the year. 17 new whale entities holding 1,000 to 10,000 BTC were added to the blockchain during this time. Additionally, the overall supply held by whales increased by more than 65,000 Bitcoin. And then there's the top analyst Willy Woo, who said that coins are being scooped off the exchanges at a very bullish rate. He said that a quantitative supply shock might be underway due to a negative supply shock ratio, adding that the last time this happened, the price bounced hard. In a recent newsletter, he said that speculative investors began selling off their new coins to long-term holders, pointing to a so-called Rick Astley chart that examines Bitcoin movements between strong and weak hands. He also said that it's clear that long-term holders are scooping up the speculative coins at a rapid pace. It is now a waiting game until this is reflected in price action, but the evidence is firmly pointing to the formation of an accumulation bottom. Now, there's another article that talks about how Bitcoin price analysis point to an incoming huge move. According to this chart, the Bollinger Bands indicator, which is a technical indicator that can predict large market swings, is currently at its tightest level since December 2020. The greater the distance between the top and the bottom Bollinger Bands, the higher the probability that a major price change will occur. A fall in trading activity in July, which includes the two lowest trading volume days in the entire year thus far, is another indicator of an inevitable shift in the market. When the volume remains exceedingly low, there is generally a massive shift in either direction. And then there's this article that talks about how the end of Euro Cup could also prove bullish for the crypto market. It basically says that the end of the Euro Cup could see a rise in bullish sentiments as fans will divert their investments from the Euro Cup betting to crypto. A similar move was observed during the government's stimulus checks, when people invested their stimulus funds in inflation hedges such as Bitcoin and even the stock market. Basically, the influx of football betting money may help bring the bulls back to the market for the second leg of the bull run. Now, considering all this, I hope you have a complete picture of where Bitcoin and other cryptos are standing right now. As I said, it's important to talk about where Bitcoin is headed because it's the market leader and it has a huge impact on Dogecoin's price too. Now there's some fear in the market because of the upcoming unlocking of GBTC shares. Once unlocked, investors have the option to either liquidate their shares at current market prices or hold on to them and sell. Several experts, including those at JP Morgan, have predicted that investors will likely liquidate their holdings as a result of the huge shift in sentiments around Bitcoin. But, according to QCP Capital, the unlocking would have little impact on the market. According to them, most of the large institutional positions that had previously subscribed in kind have already been unlocked earlier, and they have held off selling at the current discounted price. So I think we'll just have to wait to see how it plays out, but I still think it will not have such a negative impact on the market. Now, let's come back to Dogecoin. So, a Malaysian artist has sold her first ever non-fungible token, Doge to the moon, for 36.3 ETH. This just proves that Dogecoin is still as popular as ever. The fact that someone paid 36.3 ETH, which is equal to 72,000 for a Dogecoin NFT, is simply incredible. In any case, I'd love to know what you think is going to happen in the coming days. Do you think we'll come out of this bearish run soon? Let me know in the comment section below. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.